Are you or someone you love struggling with diabetic foot neuropathy? Do you know that DPN is closer than you think, stealing precious moments and quality of life? Are you aware untreated DPN can lead to ulcers, infections, and even amputations? Hi there, I'm Dr. Eric Howe. Imagine blending nearly 30 years of dental and acupuncture expertise into a powerful medical system. That's exactly what I've done with PONAMS. Short for the Power of Nature Acupuncture Medical System, my go-to method for tackling challenging cases like RSD, CRPS, neuralgias, neuropathies, and many more. With a 95% success rate, PONAMS has turned pain into a distant memory. After years of research and real-world practice, I'm excited to unveil a breakthrough, the PONAMS acupressure protocol for diabetic foot neuropathy. Get ready to step into a pain-free future. In just 16 minutes, discover a method that banishes foot pain and numbness in a lightning-fast 10 minutes. Clinically validated and tailor-made for DPN warriors, PONAMS is your ticket to comfort. Instant relief can be a reality. PONAMS is a lifeline with over 10,000 success stories, each a testament to the transformative power of PONAMS. Combining modern science with ancient wisdom, PONAMS harnesses your body's natural healing abilities. Published articles back its effectiveness, using PONAMS protocols for remarkable relief. Stand on the edge of this monumental decision. Break free from the constraints of DPN and take control of your destiny. Don't let hesitation cost you more than just discomfort. Seize this opportunity to become the hero of your own story and transform your life today. Unlock the healing power of PONAMS acupressure protocol. Say goodbye to expensive, ineffective treatments and welcome natural relief.